Do you want to speak English but you don't know what to say? Don't worry. Today I will teach you simple sentences. If you learn these sentences, you can start speaking from today. Repeat after me. I can speak. I will learn. English is not difficult. You just need simple sentences. Start small, speak daily. Repeat again and again. Repeat after me. I am ready. I am ready. I am happy. I am happy. I am learning. I am learning. I am busy. I am busy. I am tired. I am tired. Do you want to speak English but you don't know what to say? Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Aman. He wanted to speak English, but he didn't know even basic sentences. When someone asked him something, he stayed silent. One day he decided, I will start with simple sentences. He learned small sentences like, I am ready. I will try. He repeated them daily. After some days, he started speaking. What do you learn from this story? Big English is not important. Simple sentences are enough to start. So today I will teach you simple sentences that you can use daily. Aman started with I am sentences. Repeat after me. I am ready. I am ready. I am happy. I am happy. I am learning. I am learning. I am busy. I am busy. I am tired. I am tired. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. I am happy today. I am happy today. Aman used this daily. Slowly he became confident. Practice with me. I am ready. I am ready. I am learning. I am learning. Then Aman learned future sentences. Repeat after me. I will try. I will try. I will learn. I will learn. I will speak. I will speak. I will improve. I will improve. I will try today. I will try today. I will learn English. I will learn English. He started speaking about future. His confidence increased. Then Aman learned daily expressions. Repeat after me. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I understand. Say, I understand. I don't understand. Say, I don't understand. For example, I like English. I don't understand this. Now he could express his expression. Now Aman learned questions. How are you? How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Say, where are you going? Do you understand? Say, do you understand? Now he could speak in English with people. Now he could talk with people. Example, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am learning English. After some weeks, Aman was not silent anymore. Started speaking small sentences. People understood him, felt confident. You learned? Start small, speak daily. You will improve. Say loudly, I can speak English. I am learning English. I am learning daily. I will improve. So friends, don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple sentences and you will become fluent. I will practice. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video.